Evening. We begin tonight with a Global News exclusive about a product used for decades to prevent deaths. Naloxone, or Narcan, reverses the effect of an overdose and is widely used by paramedics and emergency room staff to save lives. It's also a drug that family and friends will soon be able to administer in a war waged against fentanyl deaths in the province. Global's Megan Craig with this exclusive report.
3 suspected fentanyl-related overdoses in Saskatoon in 18 hours. It's a reality becoming all too common for emergency responders in Saskatchewan.
This isn't something where we're seeing, maybe once a month or every 6 weeks we have these types of calls. We're seeing them every week.
Linked to at least 5 deaths this year, 10 in 2014, 10 the year before that. Add to that the number of deaths across the country, and street fentanyl is being called a national disaster.
Fentanyl is highly potent, and the illicit fentanyl that's on the street is of a strength that nobody really knows how to predict or to titrate or to use.
But some overdosing have been brought back from the brink of death with this. Naloxone, also known as Narcan, the so-called EpiPen for addicts, is a drug that can reverse a fentanyl overdose if administered right away.
If it's given right away, it's something that essentially will wake a patient up almost immediately.
The only problem is it's only available in emergency situations in Saskatchewan. But that's all about to change.
In an email to Global News, the Ministry of Health has confirmed it's in discussions with the Saskatoon Health Region in regards to launching a pilot site to provide take-home naloxone kits. Details are still being worked out, but these kits are expected to be available in the coming weeks.
According to the ministry, Saskatoon was selected because of the number of opioid abusers in the region and the number of overdoses.
From our perspective, anything that any assistance we can get from the region, from the government, or in the Ministry of Health, we will fully support it, and it's great to hear if that's what's coming down the pipeline.
An announcement is expected this week. The first take-home kits to be dispensed in the country were in Edmonton, Alberta in 2005. Megan Craig, Global News.